Hello guys, welcome. This is Encisso Art Academy, the art academy for those who have the insatiable need to express themselves through drawing. My name is Alexander. In the last chapter, we learned how to create the shading. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to create the textures of the skin. Adding texture to the skin allows to give more life to our character. You could see in this example the difference between a face without texture and a face with texture. It's not about painting every pore of the skin. It's adding a small touches that create the illusion of texture. You could see that this portrait look more alive. This sculpture is from the artist Monsep Risset. Okay, so what is the component of the texture of the skin? First of all, we need to understand that texture is not a smooth surface. If we look very close to the skin, we could see that have a lot of pores. So if we want to create an illusion of texture, we don't need to add every single pore of the face, but we could add little touches here and there that give us the illusion. Okay, another component of the texture of the skin is the expression lines. These expressions lines are not random. These lines form in the areas when the muscle contract the skin, and that produce these little expression lines. Okay, for example, in these areas of the eyes, you could see that we have a lot of expression lines. Another component of the texture of the skin is beauty marks. Not everybody have it, but a lot of people have these little moles around the skin or another imperfection, and adding these little touches could give us a more realistic look. For example, you could see here in this portrait that we add a little pores, we add little moles, and we create a little line of expression. Okay guys, so in this chapter we are going to learn how to create all this texture in the skin with more detail. We are going to learn how to add beauty marks, how to add expression lines, how to create the illusion of pores. Okay guys, I hope you're ready to start. In the next step, we are going to look for each step of this process more in detail. God bless you. Bye.